In this video, we will be going over the Analysis Preview functionality available in AcquireMP. This enables you to visualize a preview of the analyzed data during acquisition. When initiating AcquireMP, the Analysis Preview functionality is disabled. To enable it, click on Enable Analysis Preview. A histogram panel with ratiometric contrast versus count will be displayed. After adding your sample and starting the movie recording, the histogram will automatically start getting populated. To change the histogram to mass mode, you can load the mass calibration file generated in AcquireMP with the format .mc. To do this, go to the Analysis Preview menu and select Load Mass Calibration. This will automatically change the histogram. You can also access all menu options by right-clicking on the Analysis Preview panel. To export a histogram, go to the Analysis Preview menu and select Export Histogram. The Analysis Preview functionality can be disabled at any time by selecting Disable Analysis Preview available on the menu.